Guys, there is a vocoder on the OP-1 field. How crazy is that? I need to get my teeth clean and I need to get a mustache shape up. But that's okay because today we're here to take a look at the vocoder. So let's go ahead and do that. What is a vocoder? Well, I don't know. It does something to the voice. It modulates the voice. Maybe I do know what it is. There we go. Boom. First of all, you need to update your device first and foremost and make sure it's up to date.
That's my check. That's my check. That's my... Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Khordmaster, and now I can add 7 and 9s on here, beating those really dope. Yo, I'm gonna go ahead and play a minor chord, then I'm gonna go ahead and play a major chord. Here's another major chord, and here's a minor. Here's another minor chord, and here's a major chord. Let's keep on going. Boom, boom, boom. Here's F major, boom, boom, boom. Here's F major, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, what's going on? Everybody say yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna go to the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? We get to go down a happy like this. It always sounds a little deeper than go. Whenever I'm over here, this is me. I'm gonna drop, 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 drop. Let's go to next, play next, play next. What's up, yo? This is Membrane. I said, what's up, yo? This is Membrane. We're gonna go to another chord like this. We're gonna go to another chord like this. We're gonna go, go, go to a different chord. Go, go, go to a different chord. Boom, yo, check it out here. Boom, yo, check it out here. And then boom, yo, check it out here. Boom, yo, check it out here. And then boom, yo. Alright, so let's go to phone home next.
This right here is called phone, phone home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This right here is called phone, phone home. We're gonna go down the octave so it sounds a little deeper like this. Yo, let's do a chord that's C major and a chord that's C minor. And then what is this right here? I said, what is this right here? Let's go.
Yo, this is random. That's pretty cool. Yo, this is random. That's pretty cool. Yo, this is random. That's pretty cool. Yo, this is random. Let's go back to C by itself and then do it then over C and E to it then go another third back to D major, go another third up to get the C major 7, then go down over here. Yeah, yeah, go down over here. I'm wondering if I switch up this and come back to it. If it's still gonna be the same chord, because it's random. Let's see. Yo, this is a little different from me. Yeah, let's do it again. Yo, I love this different, but you know what? Let's go to the next stage. I think the people next to me right now are wondering what in the world is going on in my guy's office. There's a lot of weird sounds coming out of the room, and I don't care, cause I need to hear you. But I'm gonna freestyle even though it doesn't make any sense at all. This one is called Sleepless. I'm gonna go up and under. This one is called Sleepless. I'm gonna go down under. And this one is called Sleepless. 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 Now we're gonna go to what's up. And I'm wondering how everybody doing now. Yo, it is here. I want you to get at the OP-1 vocoder. Yo,
Rotate this over to mid. Yeah, there we go. So now y'all can hear me clearer, like regular. And then when we go over here, it's all of the actual vocoder sound. I should probably be showing you so you can see what's happening, right? So, all right. So as you can see, there's a lot of fun to be had here. Now, the only other thing I want to kind of show for now is my man Benjamin, since birth, mentioned this in my live stream earlier today because he's been messing around with this earlier in the day, and so he said like you can also bring the radio into the vocoder, not just your headset, right? You can do anything, even like line in or whatever, USB and stuff. So I'm gonna play the radio and go through some of those settings, and let's kind of experiment and see what that seems like.
Beautiful she goes, unnoticed she knows. Oh, she don't see.
Yeah, really, really cool. Teenage Engineering. You guys did it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.